Hey y'all, so I'm at work right now. Today's currently Wednesday, and we do a little vlog because I'm finna do my hair today. Y'all, it's past overdue. I've been working 12-hour shifts. It's way past overdue, y'all. So yeah. So I'm finna leave work real soon. It is currently 8 o'clock. And the beauty supply don't open up till 10 o'clock. So I have 2 hours of free time to do nothing. And I literally just finished a 12-hour shift. Stay up and pull through until 10 o'clock because I need to do my hair. So the plan is I'm gonna try to do brighter. I keep digging up my nose. But the plan is to go brighter. See, I'm gonna see y'all when I leave here and see what I'm gonna do. Y'all, okay, so we officially are back home, and I just came from the beauty supply. All that hurt. So the quality might go bad for like a little clip or whatever, but y'all don't worry about it. I did go to the beauty supply. I got the hair for my style, which is gonna be a whole separate video. Period. If you guys know, this is the first ever dye that I used on my very first dyeing my hair video. So we got that, and then we also got rat tail comb. I don't know. I just be accumulating rat tail combs. I mean, who knows? So you guys can currently see my hair. It is completely grown out. This was literally a like 3-minute thought through process for my hair. So like this was definitely last minute. I didn't use any type of gel or nothing. Like I just put these in, and then this is how they're looking after about, I don't know how many weeks it's been, but this is how they're looking. So we're about to go ahead and get started with taking these out. I can't get caught up in love somehow. Yeah. Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no. Yeah, I'll be back once I'm done. So I officially finished taking my hair out. Was a lot. I don't know if my hair even grew, y'all. It be looking the same every single time, in my opinion. So I don't know. But then again, it's not even cleared out. Okay, so that is so ugly. I'll tell y'all why I bought so much box dye. So as y'all can see, my roots need to be redone, and my hair itself needs to be redone, especially in the back. So that's what we're going to be focusing on, really. It's just 2 sections, and I think I'm really about to do the back first and then go from there. Y'all know the vibes. So I'm going to put the gloves on. So last time I dyed my hair, because I don't think I recorded it, it was about a month ago, I think, or 2 months ago. It wasn't this. It wasn't this. It was like a whole another type of hair dye that I had used on my hair. Yeah. I don't know. I forgot how to do it. I always forget. I'll put this on there. Yeah, so I wanted to use 1 pack in the back, 1 pack in the front, 1 pack everywhere. So I'm about to go ahead and start the parting process, which is really easy. It should be, at least. Started the backs and part this out. boop, boop. And then we're gonna go ahead and get started with the back.
So act up to some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get
Single little section?
baby, baby, baby? I've been on my empty mind. Shit, I should've keep from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. So contact me and nuisance. This is urgent.
Okay, so y'all, I just finished bleaching my whole hair, and then I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'll be back with you guys once we're done. Hey guys, y'all, my hair is gonna be freaking red, but it's okay though. I ain't tripping.
You better not.
I'm gonna go rinse it out, and then I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm officially out the shower. Don't judge me, I'm ashy. So what we finna do now is moisturize and put my hair away. It is dry. Like no moisturizing or nothing. I gotta think. I'm gonna have to use that and some curling cream. Alright, so I am gonna have to compensate for the fact that I don't have any moisturizer, and I don't feel like going back to the beauty supply. We have to make it work. So I'm going to be using this Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Shea Moisture, using Moisture Miracle curling cream. I mean, that's the best I could do. Okay, put this. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to divide it down the middle, like this, like so. This is the quick way for me to do my hair. And then we're gonna get some curling cream, and then we're gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna try to detangle a little bit. Then I'm gonna get me a hair tie, and we're gonna
Bless you.
I just playing. And then I'm gonna use this brush. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm moving fast. I'm just trying to go as fast as possible because I don't want my hair to dry. Then I'm gonna go ahead and roll this out. Put it back on one more time. We're gonna get and just border. I'll be back when I'm done doing this to all four sides of my hair. Y'all do not comment in the comments, but like this is the quickest way for me to stretch out my hair and for it to dry properly. So I'm doing, and this is just, don't even try to cook me or flame me in the comments. And as soon as I finish moisturize my edges, we're just gonna oil it